The latest DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has officially landed, and it's stirring up excitement among content creators and tech fans alike. With its larger sensor, enhanced low-light capabilities, and high quality 4K video, this compact device could be a game-changer for vloggers, adventurers, and filmmakers on the go. But is it truly as revolutionary as it seems? We're diving into all the details, testing its stabilization, checking out the features, and evaluating real-world performance to help you decide whether it's worth the upgrade. DJI revealed the Osmo Pocket 4 in mid-March 2025, with global availability set for late January. As with many of DJI's high-profile releases, demand is expected to be high. However, the company is promising ample supply, plus special launch bundles that offer exclusive extras for early adopters. A standout improvement is the upgraded 1-inch sensor, which brings a significant boost in image clarity and performance, especially in tough lighting situations. Whether you're recording cinematic 4K footage at up to 120 FPS for dramatic slow-motion shots or capturing vibrant colors in HDR mode, this camera delivers impressive results. It excels in retaining detail and dynamic range, even in bright sunlight or during golden hour. Photography is just as strong, with the camera capable of capturing 20-megapixel stills full of life and sharp detail. The newly refined low-light processing also makes it a solid performer in nighttime conditions, holding its own against larger, more expensive cameras. Ease of use has clearly been a focus with this release. The interface is responsive and intuitive, with a touchscreen that makes switching modes and settings a breeze. Physical buttons add a satisfying tactile option for those who prefer direct control. For newcomers, DJI's MyOp has been revamped with built-in tutorials and guides, ensuring that anyone regardless of experience can unlock the camera's full potential straight away. Connecting the camera to your phone is now simpler than ever, thanks to wireless options like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The updated MyOp offers remote operation, live previews, and powerful editing tools right from your mobile device. With support for USB-C and microSD cards, managing and transferring your footage is quick and hassle-free. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 lives up to its name. It's sleek, compact, and built to travel. The durable aluminum alloy body feels premium and is made to withstand the wear and tear of active use. Even the gimbal has been redesigned for efficiency without compromising functionality, and it now includes light water resistance for shooting in less than perfect weather. One of the biggest strengths of the Pocket series has always been its stabilization, and the latest model continues that tradition with a refined 3-axis mechanical gimbal. It smooths out your shots beautifully, even while moving or filming action scenes. Sport mode has also been enhanced for better tracking during fast motion, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced subjects like athletes or animals. Battery performance is another highlight. You get over 2 hours of shooting on a single charge even while recording 4K at 60 FPS. Add to that fast charging, and you're never out of action for long, whether you're on a day-long shoot or documenting a big trip. All in all, the DJI Pocket 4 is a compact powerhouse packed with pro-level features. While it's priced as a premium gadget, its performance, portability, and creative flexibility more than justify the investment. If you want a pocket-sized camera that can rival the big players without the bulk, this might just be your perfect companion. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a comment, like, and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more tech reviews and creative gear deep dives. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.